Finding a promising business idea requires creativity, research, and a keen eye for opportunities. Here's a step-by-step guide. Identify your interests and passions. Start by reflecting on your interests, hobbies, and skills. Consider what you're passionate about, as a potential business idea is more likely to succeed if it aligns with your interests. Problem solving. Look for problems or pain points in your own life or within your community. Successful businesses often solve specific problems. Market research. Investigate market trends, customer needs, and emerging industries. Use tools like Google Trends, industry reports, and service to gather data. Competitive analysis. Study your competition. Identify gaps in their offerings or areas where you can offer a unique selling proposition. Target audience. Define your target audience. Who are your potential customers and what do they need? Create customer personas to understand their preferences. Innovation. Think about how you can innovate or improve existing products or services. Innovation often leads to successful business ideas. Networking. Attend industry events, join business networks, and engage with other entrepreneurs. These connections can spark ideas and provide valuable insights. Online trends. Explore online platforms like social media, e-commerce websites, and crowdfunding platforms to spot emerging trends and consumer demands. Brainstorming. Organize brainstorming sessions with friends, family, or colleagues. Different perspectives can lead to innovative ideas. Skills assessment. Assess your own skills and expertise. What are you exceptionally good at? Can you turn those skills into a business? Validate your idea. Test your idea with a small audience or through a pilot program to see if there's demand and if it's financially viable. Business plan. Once you have a solid idea, create a detailed business plan outlining your concept, target market, competition, and financial projections.